wouldn't be Oktoberfest without the sounds of accordions filling the air.
In tonight's News 8's Eyepiece, photographer Greg White introduces us to a group getting together to spread Gemutlichkeit.
It's really fun, especially with the Oktoberfest and doing polkas. That's kind of traditionally correlated to Oktoberfest, and yeah, people love it. So you get a whole group of accordion players together. It's very loud and fun. It's just a lot of fun.
Well, the beautiful thing about it is if you play a few wrong notes, nobody notices. So you got everybody else taking care of it.
You're multitasking a lot if you're playing it to the full effect that it should be played in. So.
This is a party, you know. I mean, this is a party. We're supposed to be having good time and lots of fun, you know, and having a beer or something. Singing, dancing, not just listening, but you know, getting involved in the music somehow.
Probably most of the accordions here tonight are made in Italy, and Italy is like the fashion center of the world, so if they're going to make an instrument, it's going to be glitzy and fine, you know, and really decked out. This particular accordion I bought for the sound and not for the, you know, not for the look. It's got a really nice sound, and you know, everything works, which is really nice.
But they're cool looking, so everybody wants to play one or to hear one. You know, people are fascinated by it.
Very nice. And you'll be able to hear the Tri-State Accordion Club during tomorrow's Maple Leaf Parade. They'll have a float for the 3rd straight year.
And as a reminder, if you can't make it out for the parade tomorrow, we will be broadcasting it live right here on News 8 starting at 10 in the morning.